Guys, it's 8:30 a.m. It feels like -2 degrees outside, and we're going to this really fun and cute estate sale. Unfortunately, this iconic house is being torn down. I know it should be illegal, but we got to go get our eyes on it because I think you will be gooped, wigless, bald about this property. It is so special. It's in Westport, Connecticut. So let's go pick up my friend Addie and get on the road. It's cold. Are you ready to shot till we drop? Okay, we just got here. It's 9:27 and there's cars. I need to clean that windshield. Are you excited to see the mansion?
Yeah, I'm gonna chisel out some tiles for me.
Who's calling me? Early, we're waiting at the estate sale. Addie's swinging on the chandelier right now.
I'm not letting them demolish this motherfucker.
Okay, so there's 2 people ahead of us right now, it seems. Any thoughts?
Cool.
It is cold. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. Wow. The piano. Oh my gosh. The colors. The tiles are everything. Very beautiful. Right? Oh my gosh. The tiles are like stunning. Gosh, this is just so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I would move here in a heartbeat. This sofa is so stunning. And so is this chair. The piano has pool balls. The ceiling is absolutely insane. And the sofas and the lights. Wow. Very beautiful. I cannot believe they're tearing this down. It's really upsetting. Wow, the kitchen is everything. I love the kitchen. Look at these little brass vests. How fun is that? I love all the colors in here. So. Oh. Someone's looking for Gloria. That guy's looking for Gloria. He can't find her. Oh my God, the ocean's right there. The staircase is so cool. Wow. The island. Wow. Wow. This is just beyond insane. That's so, only 50. It's really not bad.
Ah, there she is.
Oh my God. You guys, I cannot believe how stunning this is. Like, the kitchen is unbelievable. Literally unbelievable. This whole place is, oh, I see a horse. Is that a show pony? I think it might be a show pony. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. What's in this room? Oh, sorry. Wow. This bedroom is wild. This way? Oh my gosh.
What are you doing? I want to show my guys something.
Whoa!
Welcome.
What's in here?
Go.
I like you. Oh! Can I take a dip? How is this? How is this real life?
This is trippy. I love it.
Look at the turtle.
Oh my God. I am very upset. This pool is absolutely stunning. Oh my gosh. And the tile details. My camera's flipping out because of the tile. Obsessed with this.
I didn't even see the bathroom on the other side of that room.
No, you gotta show me. This is absolutely insane. I cannot believe they're tearing this place down. Jeez Louise. Oh my gosh, this rug is beautiful. What is this wall? How? Oh my god. Addie, look at this. This bathroom is wild. My god. I love this property so much. It's actually making me nauseous how much I love this property. Look at this rug in here. Oh my god. This rug. This bathroom is like stunning, and this carpet in here. Oh my gosh. I'm beyond obsessed. The squiggles on the wall. Everything is perfection. I'm gooped and I'm gagged, honey. Wow. What is this bathroom right here? All the color, these tiles. Oh my gosh, someone put so much love into the design of this home. I am so inspired right now. Imagine taking a nice little tub, nice little bath in there. Even the lights. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. I'm in love. The colors in here. Cupid. These bubbles. This bubble wall is everything. Right? Can we get a bubble? Tile. This bathroom is wild. Wild. I've never seen anything like this in my life. Wow. The design is crazy. Oh my gosh. Wow. I want to take a big old bath in here. Even the shape of this sink is cool. This walk-in closet. I need a walk-in closet really bad because this is just beautiful. Like, it attaches into the bathroom. Guys, I need money in my life. Like, this is just beyond insane. And here's another closet, which is super beautiful. I'm assuming this was like a his and this is a her situation, because obviously hers, women get the bigger closet. You know what I mean? I mean, it just makes sense that way. It's science. I can't tell what this was supposed to be. Either way, stunning. Wow. The staircase in here. This is someone's office. Jeez, this is crazy. Oh my gosh. This is someone's office. Can you imagine that? Right? I'm gonna get a sunburn up here. They're super nice too, the team. It's only 10:10? What? Oh my god. Wow. Oh my gosh.
I don't think it's with everything else.
No, because it's a different texture. It's a paint palette though. It's gonna be demolished is crazy. Like, imagine this being your bedroom. This was my bedroom, I would never leave. Like, it's insane. This whole place. Wow. This door is like a puffy door. So cool. Welcome to my bedroom. Made it to the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. I realized I did not give a lot of context to this property. So it's located in Westport, Connecticut. which is on the coast of Connecticut. And the house was up for sale a few months back for, I believe, $7 million. I heard through my comment section that the owner actually passed away, and she was apparently super eclectic and iconic, and people referred to her as like the Dolly Parton of Westport, Connecticut, which is iconic. So unfortunately, the house got bought out by a flipper, I know, who is going to demolish the property and build a $25 million like modern mansion in its place, which breaks my heart and crushes my soul. And yes, I have a soul, even though I am a ginger, please. But I just really wanted to document her house. Probably heard through all of my annoying oh my goshes. That was my genuine reaction to the space. Like walking in and just seeing all the color and the different design elements and all the details and the intricacies in the space was so inspiring. I am devastated that this home will not exist in this world. I think we should start preserving art. I know there's ways to go about doing that, like making certain properties like historic landmarks, depending on like when they were built and things like that. I'm just so sad to see this go. So I really am so happy that we got to capture it on film forever so it can live on social media. And so she got her last hurrah, because I had never seen this house online before. So thank you for coming along with me for the tour. Thank you for just loving on me in this channel. And yeah, I love you. Positive vibes only. And if you made it to the end, leave a really kind comment for this property, because I want this property to live on forever. I love you.